6'7". Yes, sir. 100 Media today, we're in Harpenden. We're here to shoot content for ACL Broad Andy. Demolished the old one and built this amazing property here. So we're here to help him with content that's insightful, purposeful and fun. Let's get to work.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up
In 3, wait, hold on. Rolling. A footage of the flying in. So I just changed it to start of this. Does that make sense? Right.
All up.
And cut. Okay, that was good.